Hi, I am Gianluca Fronda. I'm a musician with more than 25 years of experience teaching piano. I've been studying music for as long as I can remember. I discovered the power of music when I was a child, like many. I am obviously piano performer, so professional pianist. I am composer. I've been always trying to discover and understand the music. I've dedicated all my life doing it. I'm also arranger, I do covers, and trying to enrich always the pieces I work on. On this channel you will always get explanations coming from the point of view, obviously, of not only of a piano teacher, but of a performer and composer as well. So all I will tell you, all I will explain, has been first of all experienced, lived and approved by myself. You will also get always the secret behind the notes, since I'm composer. I will always try to publish videos for beginners, for intermediate and for advanced students. I really hope you will find interesting the channel, useful. Feel free to spread the voice, to let your friends know, your family as well. And I hope you will subscribe to the channel, and let's keep fingers crossed that you will always appreciate my videos. Feel free to comment, to ask at the end of the videos, and that's it. Thank you.